Because the human infant is born in a condition of complete dependence, adults are tempted to exploit the period of dependency and to control and manipulate children to satisfy their own needs. Between 1.5 and 3 years, children can be trained to form correct toilet habits by being shamed every time they make a mistake. From 3 to 6, children can be made to comply with certain demands by making them feel guilty. If adults control and manipulate children in such ways, children are prevented from achieving normal social development.
Mama, dumay basa.
Anong basa tira? Be? Nangihi ka? Wala ka na huya si mo manang diri nga nga bisag din ka lang gapanihi.
Ay gani, naano man ni Saya. Bigyan na si mo, pero dapat mangihigay sa CR, hindi kay diri. Naano man na ko no? Oopsie. Excuse me, manang. Manihik ko, anay. Makadto ka sa CR? Gusto mo danta ka? Hindi nga, manang. Kabalo na ko.
Oh, sige ka, very good
With this type of parenting, the child will learn to be self-sufficient and communicate his or her needs. This is also a huge confidence booster to a child as it will provide a sense of belonging and accomplishment to them as they transition into the world of the big boys and girls. If this type of parenting is not practiced, a child may struggle to understand the importance of knowing how to use the potty and may even encounter bedwetting and daytime pee and poop accidents, as shown in the video.
Teachers at the preschool level, together with parents and other members of immediate family, should allow the children to engage in considerable free experiment to encourage the development of autonomy, but provide some guidance to reduce the possibility of the establishment of doubt. More specifically, teachers should subtly direct a child who is attempting something beyond his capabilities.
Langga, tapos ka na play? Ilis na kang makatuta sa City Mall.
Okay, Mami! Coming! Mami!
Tapos ka na play?
Yes!
Makatuta si Marong kag mag-ilis ka makata sa City Mall.
Yay! Okay!
Langga, tapos ka na TV?
Yes, Mami! Hindi mas Mami. I want that, Mami.
Amo na lang eh?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes!
Sige, go na. Ilis na ko.
Thank you!
With this type of parenting, the child will develop self-initiated activities, where they will learn new things on their own, but if you don't let them engage in some activities, they will not be able to learn new things and probably they will be develop self-doubt such as this.
Mami! Look! Tapos na ako mag-ilis.
Ay, ano man yung bayo man?
Ilis eh.
Kaya ka lang, ay, give. Ay, dumudang ka na yung
Mami, kanami na.
Ay, hindi na gani isli. Kaya ka lang, ay, tanawon. Ariyo.
Nanang, ano yung nobra?
Gapang laba.
Pwede ko kayong tra.
Ay, naano man nga. Hindi, naligto ka na lang sa sulod. Kaya mabasa ka di karon. Kadugang-dugang ka naman di sa obra. Nagtutuhan pang to sa sulod. Hoy! Naara ka da? Di ba hanggang gusto mo dito ka sa sulod kag maghampang ka? Lantaw ako nabasa ng bayo mo.
Manang, gusto ko lang magbulig.
Ano gusto magbulig pa? Dugang-dugang ka lang pala sa obra. Tigay dra, oh, ikaw na napanglaba. Ikaw na napanglaba. Andaman mo da, maaghalin-halin ka da, ha? Kaya ka?
Teachers and parents in the kindergarten level should allow children considerable self-initiated activities and intervene only when a child infringes on the rights of others. For example, letting them join in a household chores.
Manang, ano yung ginobra?
Napanglaba ko din lang ga.
Pwede ko kabulig?
Mabulig ka? Sige, halika. Kwato bang ko mo?